Well, hello folks, I'm L.A. Little and this is today's short take. As the earnings season gets underway here, one of the things we want to look at is, are those sectors that have been out of favor, are they coming back into favor? For example, the transports, are we going to see some rotation into these or not? Because the trend here has definitely been to the downside pretty much straight away for quite a while. It's been lagging. You're seeing a lot written about this. It's definitely been a lag. And if you look at it, what it's doing is a bearish retest, and it's going to try and regenerate lower. In other words, it's going to come up, it's going to test that area, and then it's going to try to regen back to the downside. If you look at it on a weekly, and this is the transports again, it's coming back in, and as I've talked about before elsewhere, it's coming back into the top of this high volume low. If it can't stay out of it, it bounced out of it, which is what it should have done. But if it can't stay out of it, it comes back into it, it's going to seek the bottom. That's going to become the magnet. And that's going to be the first major sector to go down there and do that, with the exception of the energy. Of course, the energy made a bottom and has moved on back. So let's look at the first set of earnings coming out of this group and ask ourselves, is it going to do anything to change it? JB Hunt came out recently. Nothing there. You get a bounce up, come back down. This thing got nothing out of the earnings, and this is doing nothing as a result. KSU actually reported better earnings, got a bump up, came back down to test it yesterday. This is a little bit of a turn taking place here, but if you look at it on a larger basis, right, this is just going to come back up and try to test the breakdown bar at 102. So, that one better, not out of the woods. If we look elsewhere, Martin Transports, just totally decimated. This is one of the smaller ones decimated. It's going back for that October low itself. And finally, if we look at the last one that's reported so far, I think it was CSX. Yeah, here it is. And on this one, we're down here, got nothing, got a little bump up, but nothing, right? No follow through. Money's not rotating into these. So it doesn't look to me like transports are going to be able to make a difference and see money rotate to them yet. Value money is not coming to them. That's today's short take.